Now to a developing story overseas, the devastation in Spain, where more than 200 people have died after catastrophic flash flooding there earlier this week. On Friday, the region saw another punishing round of rain, making the search and rescue effort even more difficult.
NBC's Daniele Hamamdjian has the very latest on this ongoing disaster. Danielle, good morning.
Good morning, Laura. We still don't have a full picture of the devastation, and just one look at the images coming out of Spain, and you can see why. Entire towns are covered in mud, and in some areas, more rain is expected. And as you can imagine, that might complicate rescue efforts. The majority of people now have had their power restored, but tens of thousands are still cut off, unable to even communicate by text messages. In some cases, firefighters have been siphoning gas from abandoned cars to power generators. A total of 10,000 soldiers and police officers will be deployed to help out on the ground. That's just been announced minutes ago. And a convention center has also been turned into a temporary morgue as the search for the missing continues. Now, the National Weather Service said that in one area, it rained more in 8 hours than it had in the previous 20 months. That's just staggering. And take a look at this. You can see the before and after images of the eastern coast of Spain. People are furious, and they're directing their anger at officials. By the time some residents received the warning alerts on their phones Tuesday night, the water was already gushing into their homes and within minutes reaching their ceilings. They were left with no time to react. Some were trapped in the vehicles, others in their homes and businesses. Authorities still don't know how many are missing, and so the death toll is likely going to keep rising. Guys, back to you.
Daniele Hamamdjian with the very latest from there. Danielle, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.